Okay guys, let's be real. Typing jobs are one of the fastest ways to start making money online because they are flexible and they are remote, and you can start with just your laptop or your phone. So I'm making this live video, by the way. This is the very first live video I'm making on YouTube, and I'm doing this so that I can give you an insight if you're somebody who has some skills with typing and probably don't really know how to get started or where to start from. So you have to know the categories of typing jobs and the ones that you think will fit you best so that you can start earning as fast as you can. All you need is just a decent typing speed, and to know your typing speed, you can check out the typing job series on my YouTube channel where I shared a place where you can get to see your typing speed so you can get started. Another thing you will need is a bit of attention to detail and willingness to learn, because you need to be versatile. And let's be honest, who doesn't like the idea of making money in their pajamas? Well, nobody. So now I'll go through the best types of typing jobs out there to give you some realistic earning potentials and the top platforms where you can apply right away to start earning from the comfort of your home. So first up, we have data entry jobs. This is perfect if you're starting out because it doesn't require any specific background or complex skills. In a data entry role, you might be organizing information into spreadsheets, managing an inventory list, or updating company records. It is straightforward, but it is repetitive. Like, you need to be really focused and have attention to detail to be able to do your job, because doing something repetitively, you are bound to make mistakes. So if you're someone who loves that focus mode flow, this definitely is for you. So now, what about the pay? Data entry can bring in anywhere from $10 to $15 per hour depending on the company and your experience level. Not bad for a task that just requires focus and accuracy, right? Well, you really need to be focused and have that attention to detail skill to be able to do this job well. So you can check out platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. These are even Clickworker. These are platforms where you can find jobs of data entry clerks, and you can start working as an independent contractor for people, and you can potentially earn more than $10 to $15 like I mentioned. I'll add the link to these websites in the comment section, so if you find them, let me know in the comment section. So the next thing we need to talk about is about transcription jobs. Now, this is the most popular amongst all the typing jobs out there. So one of the best typing jobs that you can actually get if you want a challenge and higher paying jobs. Now, with transcription, you are converting audio files into text or video files into text. Anything from podcasts to interviews to medical recordings. It is a setup for data entry because it requires good listening skills, but that is why the pay is often higher and better than data entry. Transcription jobs usually pay around $15 to $25 per hour, and if you get into specialized fields like legal or medical transcription, you can even earn more. For beginners, I recommend checking out sites like rev.com, Transcribe Me, Go Transcript. I already have these websites reviewed in some of my videos. You can check out the videos on my channel so you can get started to know more about any one of them you're interested in. And just a quick pro tip, a good pair of headphones can make all the difference when transcribing, so you can catch every single word that is being said in the audio or video file that you are going to be transcribing. So the third job when it comes to typing is captioning. Now, a lot of people don't really know that captioning is a typing job, and when we talk about typing jobs, people tend to neglect this. Captioning is basically transcription with a twist. What it means is that you're typing out the audio of a video, but you're also adding timestamps and sometimes synchronizing the captions to the audio. Now, what this means is that captioning is a bit more detailed than transcription, but because of that, it can pay you up to $30 per hour. If you're good with timing and don't mind getting into a rhythm with video clips, this might be the perfect gig for you. You can check out websites like Rev and Caption Max. There are some of the platforms where you can find captioning jobs, and trust me, captioning videos can be really fun, especially if you're working with visual media. Now, the fourth type of typing jobs you should look out for is freelance writing. Now, let's switch it up a little bit. Typing skills aren't only for data entry or transcription, they are also great for freelance writing. If you enjoy writing and have good grammar skills, this can be one of the most flexible and highest paying typing job out there for you. So freelance writing rates can vary a lot, but starting out, you might make around $20 per article, and as you build your skills and portfolio, some writers can even charge up to like $100 per article. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Pro bloggers are great places for you to get started if you're looking to start up as an independent contractor with freelance writing. So this is another type of typing jobs that you can look into. Now, before we continue with the remaining, please, this is my very first video out here on live. Get time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment your thoughts. I am seeing all your comments and I really appreciate you all for your support. The fifth type of typing jobs is micro task sites. Like if you're looking for something super flexible that you can do anytime, like you can try micro task sites. These sites can pay you small amounts to complete quick tasks like typing short forms, categorizing items, and answering surveys. Now, don't expect to make a fortune here because most micro tasks pay a few cents to a few dollars, but it adds up, especially if you're consistent with doing the job. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker are popular options for micro tasks. That if you're looking to go into micro tasks, typing jobs to make money, they are great for filling a spare time between other jobs. That is, if you have your hands full and still want to make something out of the time you have. So you might check out these two websites. Now, so these are top typing jobs that you can do from home to start making money quickly. Whether you're interested in straightforward data entry, phone captioning jobs, or building a career in freelance writing, there's something here for anyone. And remember, like with any online work, consistency and quality go a long way. So if you find this video helpful, don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Also drop your comments in the comment section and I see all of them and I'll reply to every one of them. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next video.